particular shade that he do. He just all over the place. And then he created very nice misty painting. It's very good. Okay. Now I'm going to come back to here to show you again how to do this, okay? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Because we did it yesterday. See that? Mm-hmm. Sometimes you remember to
soften.
Wet it right away. And we need to put on white. But not camouflage.
Right.
See, there's a lot of water. Mm-hmm. Okay, a lot of water.
And that's the poster paint?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Just little poster.
Would you say that's like skim milk?
Those are from China. Somebody
Marie's.
brought
Yeah.
those to me, which is I don't like it.
You don't like this?
And
No.
yeah, but I have to use it.
Were you going to try that other that you just got this morning?
Oh yes. Oh, and no, those I'm gonna try for lotus.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if to sell
I
it
like
to
that
you
color.
or not because I don't have. I don't have a lot of stock. So
James, you have a lot of stuff.
no, I don't.
Okay.
See, I only have 2 bottles.
Yeah.
No, I can't sell it to you.
You have more. But no, it's okay. We'll get it.
Very, very nice.
For Flowerenberg, the Prussian one?
Looks
For
like a
especially for Irish, blue Irish
blue Irish.
on
Irish.
rice paper.
Yeah, yeah.
Gorgeous.
Yeah.
I could see it in a peacock too.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, as I said just now, I'm going to do 2 layers same time. This was I think this
There's
was
a label on it.
Chinese
Keep turning it,
indigo,
Joy.
right? Remember?
I'm sorry, would you
What
repeat
was-
that,
yeah,
please?
we were.
I had this somewhere else.
This is the Chinese. Now, I'm going to apply the white first. Okay? Now you apply the white, not camouflage. Just just where the mist is.
No, it's poster paint.
Okay, which is not.
No, acrylic dries hard like plastic.
Yeah.
Poster paint dries like watercolor.
Okay. And you can wash it. Okay. Cool. I'll be asking that about 6 more times before I get it down.
Very light. Almost nothing at all.
Boy, it looks like almost nothing.
Those are the space I need white. Not all of them. See here I don't need because I'm going to use some
Green.
green. If I don't use, then we'll leave some space. No, first of all, I'm going to use blue. Then,
You got a couple condos up there.
yes, not condo.
I know, I thought it was a
Monastery,
single family dwelling.
the hermit in the mountains.
Yes. You know, that in itself is really lovely.
Yes,
It is.
I'd
Oh,
die
I
to do
love
that.
ink painting.
Oh, yeah.
so
Yeah.
Even just the ink is
There,
just
that,
gorgeous.
that's, it is.
To me too. That's just heavenly.
Okay, so this is indigo.
That's the indigo.
Yeah.
That's a Japanese Prussian blue. This is Japanese, or you can, no, that's Japanese indigo.
In this is the Japanese
Yeah.
indigo.
No, this don't run.
No,
This
Does.
it
Right.
does.
That's pretty important.
Yeah.
I haven't been back to Taiwan and Japan for many, or at least 20 years.
Okay, this is the running stuff here.
So expensive.
Okay, now that's the running stuff, right?
Yes, this is run.
Okay.
This is a Chinese indigo. Now, you only apply where the ink is,
Yeah.
not the whole.
Ah,
Yeah.
Okay?
It colors the ink.
Just like in traditional
Yeah.
brush.
Trees and shadows.
And the trees are in the dark.
All this based on traditional technique. There are no Lingnam technique. And actually, the Lingnam actually came from traditional.
For sure.
The only things divide the Lingnam between Lingnam and traditional is not the Lingnam school divide them, is people label them. Yeah.
Sure.
So to me, I don't call this Lingnam, I don't call that, this is brush painting. They are all in the same, under the same roof before. Now, I can also put the green right away. Not recommend. Okay.
Because it will change colors
No, no,
or what? Oh, the edges.
no. Overlap,
go over.
the color will change.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what I
Yeah.
just
Yeah.
said,
Yeah.
yeah. It will change the color if you do wet into wet.
So it's the best thing you concentrate once. Yeah.
So we wait until
You
this
do
dries.
blues and then dry and then wet and
Wet it
then
again.
You go to lunch and then you come back. And then
Best thing is overnight.
oh,
I just got-
Dry, I mean, too early.
do 3 or 4 paintings,
Yeah.
then you can just be working in succession.
Yeah. And something,
Now I don't remember which is which. Which is a Japanese? I think it must be this one. It's a real one. No.
Sally, can you see?
I don't think so.
What?
These are not glazed inside, are they? They're unglazed, the center, the inside of the
The
No.
bowl, it's not glazed. Right.
It's rough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, needs to be.
Needs to be rough too.
But it's hard to find though. It's hard to find.
Okay,
You take like a little
I trust you.
Dremel and
No.
undo the
Sandpaper.
glaze on the inside?
Probably not.
Oh, okay.
You remember it's your own choice to choose the emerald colors the way you like. You see, this is very bright, okay? Very bright. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. If you like them, then you use it, okay? If you don't like them, don't use it.
What's clunking around upstairs?
My neighbor
Next
also,
door. Oh, okay.
Oh,
they are young painters.
oh.
No,
Next door
it's
is a
next
studio.
door.
It's a studio.
Do all these places have a basement, so to speak, or a bottom floor down here?
All
Yeah.
of this have basement.
Mm-hmm. It's not earthquake country, so they have basements. Not very many houses in the valley ever have a basement.
Do you realize that in San Francisco, when I was there, there many light earthquakes,
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
and when I was living there, I was wondering when is going to come.
The big one. Mm-hmm.
And when I returned to Singapore, and then it come. Otherwise, I should see what is it? To feel the earthquakes, the real earthquake. What's it? How's the earthquake like? A real one. No. Remember, even coloring, they are divided into dark and light. Not at all same colors.
Yeah.
So give them a variety so they're not so boring. And also when you use Chinese powder, your colors do not over the black because they really
Obscure
cover
it.
it up.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
So, and then if you do that, what you do is
Brush it
you
off.
brush
Lift
it
it
off.
off.
Yeah. Now, if this is the indigo is to do it in a separate way. The stone greens are much more brighter. Now you get all mixed up because the same layers. Okay, that's why I said
Better to do them separately and
yeah.
let them dry in between. So they're not going to blur into each other.
Yeah.
This is like all over the books.
That. So
All right.
so that one bottle will last you for quite some time. If I ever have students return to Hong Kong, and then or Taiwan, you can buy them in Hong Kong or Taiwan.
Oh, we know somebody who goes to Taiwan regularly.
Mm-hmm.
Bird
For a
sienna.
bit of warmth.
Mm-hmm.
Is this Chinese bird sienna?
Yes. Any.
Okay.
You got it all? All right. Now, that mountain
In the background.
in the background, it can be brown, they can be green. Up to you. Okay?
Can it be
You-
purple?
Sure. Sure.
Well, in
I would
some,
love
but it
it.
depends on whether you're doing the blue-green paintings or whether you're doing a different color scheme too.
Now, for this, I will use the power.